Are there too many styles of access control on the market? Don't know how to choose? The price is too high and the budget is not enough? Hi, this is Eva from Shenzhen Epin security company that worked for access control for more than 10 years. We will keep to upload the video to giving knowledge on access control for you guys. Please don't hesitate to focus us and don't miss out the latest model. Today, I'd like to introduce to you a very cost-effective touchscreen standalone access control Epin own model called A11T. This model supporting access by RFID and code and big capacity 3,000 users. This is our new model with very competitive price in the market. Come and get more information about this model with me now. This package comes with neutral packaging. We support OEM and ODM services. We can do the portable packaging for you if you have a requirement. The package includes one piece of devices, one piece of cable, and one piece of English manuals. LED light, touch screen keypad, doorbell button, RFID area. Use key tag to unlock the lock. Okay, open. One more time. The lock is closed. The light is on. I'm using the password, press password. Okay, now this model connecting with the electric. Standby is red color using the RFID tag to see the current fast reaction become green light. Okay, backlight LED light display using the password function fast reaction.